Mail's coming around.
What time do you get off today?
6.
Them hiccups. Look at them hiccups.
It's a lot shorter than it used to be.
You guys the hiccups. I'm sorry, sweetie.
When we got rid of Singapore, everything got a little easier in that regard. They were some lazy sons of bitches.
Your hiccups are so cute.
They refused to work more than 8 hours a shift.
Okay, mommy's done torturing you. I'll turn the music back on.